Minimizing downtime. Troubleshooting live WordPress sites. Troubleshooting issues on a live WordPress site while minimizing downtime requires a careful approach to maintain site availability and user experience. Here's a step-by-step process. 1. Back up your site. Before making any changes, ensure you have a recent backup of your entire site, including the database and files. 2. Use staging environment. Whenever possible, perform troubleshooting on a staging or development environment that mirrors your live site. This allows you to test solutions without affecting the live site. 3. Isolate the issue. Identify the specific problem by testing different aspects of your site, such as themes, plugins, or custom code. Disable plugins one by one to see if any are causing the issue. 4. Check error logs. Review your server error logs and WordPress error logs for clues about the problem's source. 5. Debug mode. Enable WordPress debug mode to identify PHP errors that may be causing issues. This can be done by adding --define wp_debug true to your --wp config.php file. 6. Test with default theme. Temporarily switch to a default WordPress theme, e.g., 2021, to see if the issue is related to your current theme. 7. Plugin testing. If a plugin is suspected, deactivate it and check if the problem persists. Reactivate them one at a time to pinpoint the problematic one. 8. Update software. Ensure WordPress, themes, and plugins are up to date. Sometimes, outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. 9. Clear cache. If you're using caching plugins or a CDN, clear caches to see if it resolves the problem. 10. Review recent changes. Consider any recent changes made to your site, including theme, plugin, or configuration changes. Revert or undo recent changes if necessary. 11. Seek community or developer help. If you can't identify or resolve the issue on your own, reach out to the WordPress community or hire a developer with expertise in troubleshooting. 12. Communication. If downtime is unavoidable during troubleshooting, communicate with your users through maintenance pages or announcements to minimize inconvenience. 13. Implement solutions. Once you've identified the problem, apply the necessary fixes on your live site. Be cautious and make incremental changes to avoid unexpected issues. 14. Monitor. Continuously monitor your site after implementing solutions to ensure the issue is resolved and doesn't reoccur. 15. Documentation. Keep detailed records of the issue and the steps taken to resolve it. This can be helpful for future troubleshooting and maintenance. By following this approach, you can troubleshoot issues on your live WordPress site while minimizing downtime and ensuring a smoother user experience. Thank you.